When our customers are happy, we're happy. And when they write to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they've received that they went online and left this review.
I went to Luper's for the first time today and was very impressed with the quality and detail to service. I've never had a shop have such a detailed breakdown of what they inspected. Pictures blew me away. Very grateful to have found this shop. I will be taking all of my vehicles here from now on. Thank you.
And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. Hope to see you soon.